Careful, it's hot. Almost ready. Don't forget to finish your homework.
Wow, look at the rain. The drops are racing down. It's like magic.
The rain makes everything feel so special.
Yeah, it's like magic. I love it. Me too.
Okay, I have the keys. Let's go now.
Yay, let's go.
All right, be careful.
All right, team, keys are in hand. Ready?
Yes, let's go.
Coats on, umbrellas up, stay close.
I see the sea.
Life and joy don't wait for ideal conditions. Beauty exists in imperfection, rain and all.
Wow, look at the rain.
It's really
Perfect break for your cozy drive.
Yeah, adventure.
Wow, look at the rain.
It's soul drop racing.
They are. Where are they going?
Down the window. And then he slipped on the banana.
It's hot, dear.
Okay.
We're here.
It's beautiful.
The ocean is so vast and wondrous, but we must always be gentle and careful with it. This spot looks perfect.
Yes, it's sheltered and dry.
Yay, our spot. It's standing. Our flag. This spot is spot.
It really is.